How to change song in Edit. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change the song. First of all, open the application. Now here you can see this plus icon, so you can create a new project or open any of your older projects, so you can do either of it. So here I'm opening an older project. So as you can see, I'm in this editing platform. Now here on the top you'll be able to see this add audio option. Simply tap on this plus icon. So as you can see, these are the audios available. So basically these are the Instagram audios that you can use in a video. So simply tap on the one that you want to change into and you'll be able to use the same one in the video. So if you go back, the audio will be added and you can export the video with the audio. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.